Did Clarky Poop talk to you about the scream you have for his paws? Did you? I will talk to him in a minute, okay? Junior? Mommy, Junior said you need to talk about the cream. The cream. It tastes yum. You should not lick it. It's for your paws. But Mom, yeah, Clark, you want to talk to me? Clarky Poop. Yeah. Hello. That's me again, Clarky Poop. This is a paw bulb. Mom, it's so delicious. I'm licking it. The cream for my paws. Clark, you should not stop. Clark, stop it. Why? It's delicious. Because it's for your paws. It's to heal. But okay. Don't look. I'm doing it again. Clark, stop it. Okay, Hey, Clark was talking about pet herbal meds, and he was talking about pet paw balm, and he didn't mention it's non-toxic, and he is getting it from Mommy for his sore paws in the winter time because of all the salt on the street, and in the summertime the opposite when the concrete is too hot. And Clarky Poop did not mention that the paw balm is made out of turmeric and hemp oil and beeswax, right, Clarky Poop? Okay, Mommy. Bye.